and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. And first of all, we talk about the national news. Now, at the outset, we cover a development from the world of finance. So, the Reserve Bank of India, it has recently, liberalized the norms to promote the use of INR, which is the Indian rupee, and the local currencies for cross-border transactions. Now, please understand, overseas branches of authorized dealer banks, they can now open INR accounts for non-residents to settle permissible transactions. Moving on, now we cover a very important development from the world of sports, and particularly it pertains to Kho-Kho World Cup 2025. So India, it has made history in this particular tournament in New Delhi by winning both the men's and the women's title. Moving on, now we talk about a development from Maharashtra pertaining to education. So Maharashtra's Higher Technical Education Department, it has introduced CET ATL. Now ATL stands for Assessment, Tests and Learning. Now this is assist candidates who are seeking admission to professional courses. Now what does this portal do? This essentially offers mocks and psychometric tests to help students choose suitable careers and excel in the respective entrances. Now this is open to all age groups. These tests, they can be accessed via the website provided for the purpose. Now the psychometric tests are lasting for approximately 90 minutes. They cover aptitude, personality and interest to assess candidate strengths. Next, let's move to Odisha, where the government has collaborated with the government of Singapore. So the Odisha government has collaborated with the Global Finance and Technology Network Singapore. Now this is to establish a global competency center in Bhubaneswar. Now the Electronics and IT department signed the agreement very recently in the presence of the President of Singapore and the Chief Minister for the state of Odisha. Next, let's discuss a collaboration between India and the United States. So both the nations have signed a memorandum of understanding in Washington, D.C. This is to enhance collaboration in cybersecurity investigations. Now the partnership, it is aimed at bolstering cooperation in cyber threat intelligence, digital forensics and training, thereby addressing share security challenges like we have money laundering, then terrorism and human trafficking. Moving on, India and Singapore, it has celebrated the 60th year or anniversary of their diplomatic ties with the unveiling of a joint logo. Now this logo features elements from both the nations, including the lotus and the orchid flowers, then colors from their national flags and the number 60 highlighting the 6 decades of collaboration. And lastly, for the national news, Indian Navy's warship INS Mumbai, it has joined the multinational maritime exercise. Now this exercise is called La Praus, and this was recently it started near the strategically important Malacca, Sunda and Lombok Straits. It involves navies from US, UK, Canada, France, Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia and India. And with that, let's talk about the top international news developments. Now, Brazil, it has recently announced Nigeria's acceptance as a partner country in the BRICS bloc. And lastly, for the important today, the day concerned is the National Penguin Awareness Day. This is marked annually on 20th of January. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you tomorrow.